Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will solve your mystery about can character AI creators see your chats? So let's get started. Firstly, let's make sure that character AI creators generally don't have access to individual users' chat unless provided for debugging or improvement purposes. In most cases, character AI systems are designed to prioritize user privacy and data security. So let's go to the Google and ask it. So in Google, go and type down can character AI creators see your chats in search bar. So there you can see the answer that character creator won't be able to view your conversation. They are not made to view your conversation. However, the specific policies can vary among different platforms and developers. It is essential to review the privacy policies of the specific character AI service you are using to understand how your data is handled. But it is confirmed that no, they cannot view your chats or see your chat. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.